How to use glyphs in Raid Shadow Legends. So if you encountered these items and are wondering where you can get these, so first of all, these are just special items that are used to enchant your artifacts and just upgrade their substats. If you want to get these and for some reason you don't have them yet, you can get them in the faction crypt stages, in faction wars, but you can also get these from events, tournaments, just as kind of part of reward, so you can explore other events to see if they're available from there. But to use a glyph, you can go to an artifact menu and then select whichever piece of gear you want to upgrade or enchant. So this is where the glyphs will be applied. You can choose the glyph that matches one of the artifact's substats. So for example, a speed glyph for a speed substat. But again, that's just an example. It has to be the same. And you can confirm to boost that stat by a random amount within the glyph's range. And they are mainly obtained from the faction wars, which we already did mention, where different factions reward different types and rarities of glyphs. So higher floors provide stronger glyphs with bigger stat increases. Since the boost is random as well, many players save their higher rarity glyphs for top tier gear, so one of their most powerful gear, to maximize their value and improve champion performance in any kind of battle, actually, dungeons and PvP and those similar stuff. But that is the general idea on how you can use glyphs in Raid Shadow Legends. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.